downpour looks like it could be skirting right through downtown soon.
We have been watching it too, Jackie, not just on the radar, but also on the horizon. You can see how dark the sky is back there, and also how fuzzy the horizon is. It's raining right over there, folks. Right on the West Bank, looking past the I-10 bridge here in Baton Rouge, and looking across, you can see it's definitely raining down there. And we've been watching the clouds darken for the last maybe 20-25 minutes as this storm continued to approach. So yes, this is what we've been talking about, and this is why we have that flash flood watch in place right now in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. And also later on this evening, a river flood warning will kick in, because you never know when one of these little systems is going to come right through. These little showers going to come right through, and could that thing come over here, set up, and just start dumping a ton of rain? Absolutely. And that's why we have that flash flood watch in place. Could it certainly turn into a warning later? Let's hope not. We're back after this.
How do we stuff Reese's peanut butter, pretzels, caramel, peanuts?
Wait till the emergency arrest system comes.
Wait a minute. How did we do it? I'm tired of being left off company enough. Did someone tell me how we do it? Not sorry, Reese's. If you have diabetes, you should wear a mask. The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Berkshire County in western Massachusetts, northern Columbia County, and east central New York, east central Greene County, and east central New York, southeastern Rensselaer County, and east central New York until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:31 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Lawrence Park or near Hudson, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Pittsfield, Hudson, Chatham, Claverack, Lenox, Coxsackie, New Lebanon, Galatia, Athens, Austerlitz, Philmont, Kinderhook, Hancock, Lawrence Park, Claverack Red Mills, Berkshire, Dalton, Ghent, Lanesboro, and Stockport. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in New York: Columbia, Greene and Rensselaer, and Berkshire, Massachusetts.